4:45? Yeah, 4:45. We didn't get no storm, which is good. I ain't think we ready for that yet. Plus, I would not get to come out and get my exercise. So, I'm glad. But, I see you inside and they come now. You see how serious it is. The jamming still low. Rain only stopping cricket.
Getting an early start is always good, and I try my best to stay active. But these days, it's been tough to keep consistency. Oh, and yes, in case you didn't know, I'm a waka man. Some days just be long. Some drives just be long. But then, I just use this time to do some thinking. Now, recently, I rewatched the last video I posted. Not the cooking videos. Next one. Link in the description.
Like what that fella to do.
You remember this survey? I was rewatching it recently, and I'm thinking about the choice that won, which is no refined sugar for 30 days. And I was thinking about sugar and the effects it have on me. You know? Sugar. How does it affect us here in Trinidad and Tobago as a people? First, what is sugar? Well, not sugar, diabetes. According to the World Health Organization, diabetes is a chronic disease characterized by elevated levels of blood glucose. And there are two types of sugar. Well, two types of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes occurs when the pancreas does not produce enough insulin. Then there is type 2, when the body cannot effectively use the insulin it produces. Now, some folks might say, I don't really eat no sort of sugar, I don't really eat no sort of sweets, but the truth is, it has sugar in almost everything. That being said, think about what we eat, what our local eating habits consist of. Trinidad and Tobago includes among the countries with the most prevalent and fast-growing cases of diabetes. The Ministry of Health estimates that the diseases affect about 15% of the population, with about 88 or 89% of patients having type 2 diabetes. In 2021, diabetes prevalence for Trinidad and Tobago was around 11%. In the year 2000, it was 14%. The sad truth is we have a very major problem in Trinidad. The truth is, violence is not even the number one leading cause of death in Trinidad and Tobago. Prostate cancer, stroke, diabetes, and heart disease all come before violence as far as deaths. And the one we're talking about today is number 2 on the list.
So all in all, what I think I'm trying to say is I need to cut down on my sugar. You know, and I need to pay attention to my portions, and I need to be a little more active.